Sunday Igboho human rights activist, he don't come outside and come declare the support wey he get for the establishment of the Yoruba Nation. And according to Rainto, say starting from now, say they don't want any herdsmen for their land. Say anyone wey they catch from now, whether na farmland or anything, anyone wey they catch, they say they go face them and they go destroy them. So if you ask him, he no want Nigeria again. He want Yoruba Nation. So I beg my people, I don't bring this matter on aside. I want make we listen to the almighty Sunday Igboho. Join me, make we watch the video.
Kí ló dé tá wá ń ṣe ẹrú nílùú tí wọ́n ti bí wa? Kí ló dé tí à ń ṣe ẹrú nílùú tí wọ́n ti bí wa? Tó dẹ̀ jẹ́ pé àwọn tí wọ́n ń pera wọn ní sẹ́nítọ̀, tí wọ́n ń pera wọn ní ọ̀nẹ́rẹ́bù tó ń sọ lórí wa wọ̀nyí, wọ́n máa lọ nínú go-slow, wọ́n rí àwọn ọmọ ọdún mẹ́rin, ọmọ ọdún márùn-ún tí wọ́n ń ta gúgúrú, tí wọ́n ń ta pọ̀pọ̀, wọ́n dẹ̀ tún máa rà jẹ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ rí pé ẹnì parun èso lórí gidi.
As this thing don't happen now, I know say many of una go dey come, they talk plenty things against this man. I bet see everybody get a reason why they talk some kind of things. Because even me as I sit down here like this, my question now be say all of una way they bring togetherness. This one nation, one this one. I beg, since when we dey together, wetin we don't solve. No, waiting the togetherness don't. I just dey ask. Where you don't take us to? We don't dey together since. In fact, make I even forget the other years since we Buhari enter seat. We don't dey together. Now different issues they come. I bet we don't solve anything. If you know say we solve something, make person no start a talk. Because now I won't make we discuss facts. I don't want I think or I'm thinking. No think. Tell me the thing will be the main cocoa. As we dey like this, my people, Nigerian are forced marriage. Marriage where they bring together by force. So it better see, may we just divorce. May we just divorce because I don't even they see what be the usefulness, I be the need of us being like this. Not be the same like this way we dey, where every day we dey hear issues, especially this herdsmen matter. You don't even tire me. You know, I'm not going to understand. Seriously. So as this man don't come outside and can't talk this one, he say you don't want Nigeria. In fact, he prefer Yoruba Nation. You understand? Everybody get their own. You know better make everybody go on your own so that peace go reign. Because I don't examine this thing. We are together. We are in one country. Still bad things they happen. So now make una answer me. So if they tell you say if Nigeria divide now, if everybody go on your own, peace go reign, which one you prefer? See country where we dey. Herdsmen, they don't carry herdsmen up above all other normal people. In fact, we even look abnormal now. Any small thing, herdsmen. And for this country now, cows don't get value. Cows don't get value past human being for this Nigeria where we dey. Even Aisha Duku come outside, she even come they talk about this same matter. And according to her, she even they tell us say, as he be now, God don't create Fulani man to value the life of a cow more than his own life. Meaning say, even if the herdsmen where they carry cow, that man even they value the cow where they carry. The life of that cow more than your own life. So I beg, make una no talk say na me just they bring talk outside. Make we listen to what did they call her, Mrs. Aisha.
I don't know why Nigerians we have become so edgy now. Maybe because of the food we eat now. We eat so much of Maggi. We have become so impatient that we don't want to listen to each other. We don't want to, provide solutions that will be workable to our country. Mr. Speaker, I sit here, my colleague is saying the cattle, the herdman, values his cows more than the lives he is killing, which is not true. You can't sit down here and just make conclusions. Yes, the herdsman values even the life of the cow more than his own life. That is how God has created him.
We not even see the bait. See the kind life. No, now the life where we they live. Now like this Nigeria don't become now. This one no be two sides of story. Cow. where in fact when normal level, no, this one I don't know, but I need a repeater. Una they see how other people they treat all these headsmen and things, but our own they different, and like this una won't make you continue to they live. Now they bring together issue together. Now it's all about headsmen. It is all about headsmen in Nigeria, which is wrong. It is very, very wrong. So now, according to Sunday, Biko, abeg, may we divide. As long as this division now is going to bring peace, no more rape, no more cows in the street of the city, no more, abeg, may we just break am down. Very, very simple. At least that one go bring peace, my people. I don't know how now they see this thing, but me, in fact, I dey stand with this man. How many fights una wan fight? How many fight? Even him himself Sunday, una dey aware of all the battles where they fight, where he go sack those headsmen, where he go do this one. No, who support am? Now the life where we dey live. Even a president, in fact, he dey even do us more harm than good. He himself, as the head, when he supposed bring peace, now he supposed bring people together. Now, in fact, now even they cause the division. So it better me everybody just be my people. If una ask me now, waiting me, I think this man is right. Now I say make a bring her. Waiting una think. Waiting we supposed do now. Una they stand with this man own. Abi una no one man Nigeria just go on your own. I don't know what you think. So anyhow we be drop am for that comment section. I go reply on one by one. And make sure say you subscribe if you never subscribe. If no, you go dey miss matters like this. And share this video so that the whole Nigeria go no say nah Yoruba want their nation. I don't know what Igbo and the others want. Stay tuned for our next story. My people, picture don't they go viral since about one headmistress, because as people see this picture, nobody even they believe say this one a headmistress. Now I bring her out to open on her eye. Now true, now headmistress for what they call that primary school, and this one they for Kogi State. As soon as see her like that, where she sit down, that place where they see now office so make una treat am with respect. Now office be that. And this school where they talk about like this, they located for Ajakoli, the Kina local government, for inside this same Kogi State. My people, these things I not just, in fact, things like this, I not just know whether make I remove my heart so that I go see say my heart they broken. I be una go just believe me for, as I dey talk, just they talk. Because my heart they into pieces right now. Why you say some people no just get conscience? See headmistress. Wait, I don't understand. It be like say for this Kogi State where we they talk about it be like say nobody they stay there. Like I they talk about people where they power, people where they authority. Be like say they know they stay there. I be they always they travel, busybody people. Because I not just don't understand how person go see something like this with Nkoro eyes and the thing no move am, the thing no do am anything. See educational state for Kogi. See their background. See everything. Hey, shame, oh, shame, don't wear bra. Shame, don't wear bra. And this one's now, I bet how these students won't even learn. How they even want to sit down. The only thing now, Northerners, governors they think about. Now Northerners they support. They come out with foolish messages about Northerners. Now the only thing one sabi. Now the only thing, make person just come out now, come talk against Northerners. Una go sabi reply fast. But this one where happen now, where the picture don't they go viral, they show say una don't see them. Una still keep quiet, like say nothing happen. If na Northern now, una go sabi you come in front of camera, they give useless explanation where I don't even know where they bring am from. But see children. If they be adults now, I go say okay, they feel manage. Children, now they keep like this under tree. Now you not see how they don't even get chairs. Oh, now the branch, I be waiting they record that thing. The branch of tree, I be na root of tree. I don't know the thing where they come out like that. Now that one they just arrange and wear. Now that on top of that thing, these people they sit down. And una just they pass. The one way even they pay me be say, you see all these people now, madam headmistress or even the parents of those children wey dey sit down under that tree, tomorrow now na dem go still dey run dey support this administration wey dey ground now. Na dem go still come out o, vote for this, vote for that, una go still run. Why be say una no like e be like say pain too dey comot for people body? Because I no just dey understand. After you go through this thing, tomorrow now they go tell you come and vote. They go just bribe una with maybe 100 naira, 500 naira. Una too go run, they go, so una they go vote. This poor administration. So now one time I say these people they no get money to at least. I'm not even they ask for a 3-story building. At least even if now 3 classrooms, make I just use that one. So they no fit just do something, construct something. Here are they. Ordinary states. This man no fit handle. Ordinary states. Now tomorrow now una go dey come outside say una wan run for presidency. You want to run for presidency. Continue running, you will soon fall down. If you no fit even handle state, small thing like that, small community. Now this whole country you won't come handle. I just imagine if this man now like come become president. Hey, Chineke. In fact, our own go just finish once. We go just finish. Forget them. School. Una no go even see school. Not to talk of nothing. If you allow these people dey like this, it's heartbreaking. It's very hard. See, I just dey imagine if rain dey fall. The days where rain fall, then they say these children no go even feel attend, because normally even if rain fall, you fit still go school. The important thing be say car go drop you. You understand? But this one's now, let me say the day where rain fall, nobody go class, and then the day where they dey class now, sun come shine plenty like that. Imagine. No, now why some people just dey run mad anyhow? Now why some people as they grow up, you go just see say something they happen for their brain. You know say now this kind of things. When sun don't hit your skull, when I'm not gonna understand what they talk about. But people wey know, they understand what they talk about. People don't just get heart everywhere. In fact, heartless souls where we get for power, where we put by ourselves. But go check their children. Go check school where these people children dey. Hey, if you see school, no, not be joke. I dey joke. If you see schools where these politicians children they attend, no be Africa. Make una dey there the Jones. No be Africa. And the schools alone, they pay in dollars. I know they like they mention dollars. When the matter don't extreme, you know they complete the dollars. They pay in dollars. You understand? So for now to see, now why they are not bothered, because they know that their own they safe, their own they in nice environment, their own they learn well. In fact, everything they smooth. They say they send them pocket money, our money on top of that one. Una no go believe all these things where they talk until the thing happens to una. These people are suffering. These people are suffering. Now why I bring this matter come outside? Africans, see, una too like, I don't even know how I even explain this thing. Una go they suffer, yet una go they smile with people where they make una suffer. I don't say me, you know, they forgive people or treat. This one, they talk about politicians. See, they don't wish una well. So stop the smile. All this smile, one they smile. And they should say even this headmistress tomorrow night they go meet her now with maybe one bundle of 500 naira notes. She go just forget say she done on that tree. Una mata tire me. Now why I bring this thing? Make una open una eye. And wait till they call your name, Governor of Kogi State, Mr. Nodna. Now I understand all your matter. No worry, I don't even want to go further. Now I understand that. Because give these people shelter. I build something for them. A whole governor, you know, if you do anything, you they wait now. Now citizens go still come donate money, come build school like the one way happen. Mothers they join, they from their pocket money. I be waiting they record that thing. They bring money for 1 year. These people save money, build school. When they get governor, what a pity. My people, I beg, I don't bring this matter because I need make una help me share this video. Very, very important. I beg, if not be for anything for those children, they need help. Abeg share this video so that the governor of Kogi State go hear me and he go do something about am. That is if truly he get good heart. You understand? And if you never subscribe, abeg subscribe. If not, you go miss anything when we drop. And your comments, of course, very very important. I need to know wetin una think concerning this matter. So drop am there. I will reply on one by one. Stay tuned for our next story.